Hi guys, welcome back. This is a part 2 from the video I did last week. So I connected this inverter to my secondary battery in the van, and that means I can charge my power bank, my ecoflow, much faster, up to 500 watts, and I can do that while I'm driving instead. So the inverter pretty much converts the 12 volt to 240 AC instead. So what I did today, I went down to my local J-car and got this little package. So this is what I got. It's a PowerTech dual battery isolator kit, and that means I can connect my secondary battery. Sorry about that. I can connect my second battery to my car battery instead. And then when I'm driving, the alternator charges my car battery and it takes the power straight from that and get much more power instead. So if you open it up, this is what we got. Some paperwork. And we got a 5-meter cable. We got this little isolator here. And that isolator is a must when you connect your car battery, because if you don't do that, the second battery is gonna pretty much drain your car battery and then you're stuck instead. So what this one does, it works like a valve. So when your car battery is charging from the alternator, when the car is on, it goes up to a certain level, and then it starts to charge your secondary battery. And when you turn the car off and the car battery reaches a lower level, it stops charging your second battery. So you never drain your car battery instead. So this is just to make sure you never get stuck without battery somewhere. So that one is a must. And then we have some screws and brackets. So I'm going to connect that one to the car now and come back when it's done. Step 1, connect the cable, the 5-meter cable, to the battery. So I have to pull it from the battery in the front. And then I found a sweet spot under here, so we can just drag it through the wall. And then I'm going to put it under this one, and then all the way back to the battery. So that's pretty much the hard part. So there we go, everything's connected, the isolator is running, the cable goes back now to the rear battery, and I tried to connect this one here. So we're pulling about 550 watts from the car now, and it works perfectly. So I'm just gonna make myself some waffles now and have some breakfast. So very happy with that. See you guys next time.